Let's look at one more greetings phrase. A bientôt. A bientôt. It means see you soon. A bientôt. A bientôt. So how would you say in French, goodbye and see you soon? Au revoir et à bientôt. Au revoir et à bientôt. So let us have a quick test to see if you can remember all the greetings words. I'm going to give you 10 words and phrases in English, and I'd like you to pause the lesson, see if you can remember the words in French, and then press play to see if you got them right. So your 10 phrases are hello, hi, good evening, good night, have a good day, good afternoon, have a good evening, good morning, goodbye, and see you soon. So hello is bonjour, hi, salut, good evening, bonsoir, good night, bonne nuit, have a good day, bonne journée, good afternoon, bonjour, have a good evening, bonne soirée, good morning, bonjour, goodbye, au revoir, and see you soon. À bientôt. Now, I actually want to give you one final expression, and this last phrase isn't technically a greeting, but I thought this was a nice place to include it. We've had the words for please, s'il vous plaît, and thank you, merci. So just to round it off, here's how you say you're welcome in French. De rien. De rien. So this means you're welcome. De rien. So hopefully that was a slightly easier lesson than the last lesson. Let's just go through everything we've learnt. We had salut, which was hi. Bonjour, which means hello, good morning, good day, or good afternoon. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit means good night. Au revoir means goodbye. Bonne journée means have a good day. Bonne soirée means have a good evening. À bientôt means see you soon. And de rien means you're welcome. And now just quickly point out something interesting about bonjour, bonsoir, and bonne nuit. You might have noticed that the word bon, which means good, appears at the start of bonjour and bonsoir. But then in front of bonne nuit, we have bon spelt in the feminine version. And that's because jour, meaning day, and soir, meaning evening, are both masculine nouns. So we use the masculine version of the word good, B-O-N. But the word nuit, and also the words journée and soirée, are feminine nouns. So we use the feminine version of the word good, B-O-N-N-E. That's why bonne nuit, bonne journée, and bonne soirée all have the feminine version of the word good at the start. It's time now to practice what we've been learning in this lesson. How to say in French, goodbye and have a good evening. Au revoir et bonne soirée. Au revoir et bonne soirée. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Good day. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Hello. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Salut, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Salut, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Good morning. Bonjour. Bonjour. See you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt. Now let's do some reverse translations. What do these French sentences mean in English? Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a good evening. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hello or good morning or good day or good afternoon. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Au revoir et bonne soirée. Au revoir et bonne soirée. Goodbye and have a good evening. Salut, je voudrais du thé et un café. Salut, je voudrais du thé et un café. Hi, I'd like 2 teas and a coffee. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a good evening. Bonsoir. Je voudrais une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît. Bonsoir. Je voudrais une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît. Good evening. I'd like a table for two, please. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon.